Wasn't that a wonderful looking Corvette? Now if you were in a position financially to order a Corvette, or somebody were to gift you one, what color combination would you order? Make sure to comment below. My choice would be the Arctic white exterior and the adrenaline red interior, just like the Corvette shown in this video. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, as well as watching some of my other automotive related videos. I hope to see you in my next video.